Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 12th, 2021. This is going to be our Aurora Cannabis stock prediction. We want to see if this particular market is ready to moon, because if so, we want to know about it, right? We want to make sure that we get in position and actually capitalize on that price movement before it actually does it. So welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're not going to give you no confusion. We're not going to talk about fundamental analysis. We're not going to talk about technical indicators. We're simply looking at price and volume to determine where the market is going to go. Everything else is irrelevant when you're trying to determine where price is headed or how much a particular instrument is worth, because it's only worth what you and I are willing to pay and sell for that item. It doesn't matter about what their future earnings report is going to be, what their revenue estimate is going to be into the future. It doesn't matter because you can't price it. The only thing that you can price is what we determine as a market as fair and reasonable, right? As what you and I are willing to part and accept these instruments for. So we're going to talk about that today in Aurora Cannabis. So make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to our channel. So check this out. We did a price prediction in Aurora Cannabis right here on September the 17th. And since that time, we were bullish into the market in Aurora Cannabis. Now, we wasn't extremely bullish, right? We only played, 12.25% movement to the upside into Aurora Cannabis. And that definitely came into fruition right here on October the 5th, right? We expected the market in Aurora Cannabis to go up. It did right there on October the 5th. Took out our whole TP area, price target, all of that. Cool, done, over. Let's go ahead and get rid of it because we really want to see if this market in Aurora Cannabis has the ability to go up still, okay? So first things first. Let me go ahead and extend out this support area, okay? Because this is still important. $6.60, $6.50. That is still viable because the market in Aurora Cannabis is confirming that this is where the buyers are coming in the market in Aurora Cannabis. As long as that's the case, guess what? We're still going to look for the price to go up. Okay? Yeah, we are. Now, can we see the price break this horizontal line? Yeah, we can. That's why I'm telling you that's the vicinity. Okay? $6.50, maybe even back down here to $6 even. I can see that too, because the market in Aurora Cannabis came and held that support back in September of 2021. So yeah, we can still see support hit $6 too. But for us to see the majority of this price history in Aurora Cannabis maintain $6, $6.50 is very good to see. So let's look at the market in Aurora Cannabis on a 3-day time frame, because this is one reason why I'm looking for the price in Aurora Cannabis to go up. Now, maybe not a moonshot price hike, but we're still seeing the strength here into the market in Aurora Cannabis. Now, we still have 9 hours and 25 minutes on this current 3-day price bar, which literally means that the market still may consolidate, because I'm already seeing in pre-market that we're trading around $7 now. So again, the market may not be ready for a moonshot right now, but it will be on the table as long as price holds support at $6.50 to $6. Okay. This is Aurora Cannabis on a 5-day. So generally, I'm not really seeing too much weakness, and even on the price bars that we do have weakness, the buyers are still coming into the market in Aurora Cannabis right there around $6. Okay. This is the weekly time frame. Now, we still got 9 hours and 25 minutes left. But if yesterday was the last day of the week, I would definitely be looking for the price in Aurora Cannabis to go up. So in the next 9 hours and 25 minutes, if we're still able to see the price close up here at the high of the bar, then yeah, I'm definitely looking for the market in Aurora Cannabis to go up. So since we're trading pre-market in Aurora Cannabis right there around $7.12, it kind of lets us know something as well, that this area right here is still restriction in Aurora Cannabis. So you guys can see it. I'm not hiding anything from you all. We can also tell that for some apparent reason, Aurora Cannabis price cannot break $7.50. It can't. Look at all these weekly price bars here in Aurora Cannabis. It couldn't do it. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's been wanting to go up in price above $7.50, but we always get rejected. It kind of lets us know that there is a big lid in Aurora Cannabis price right there around $7.50. Also think about that, because that is literally stopping the progressional upward movement in Aurora Cannabis. That's the only thing. It's not the news, it's not the earnings, it's because people are not willing to take price above $7.50. It's just that simple. There's no market right now in Aurora Cannabis of buyers above $7.50. It's just not there yet. But generally, seeing how we've been maintaining $6.50 as support too, kind of lets us know that the majority of the market participants is right in between those two horizontal lines buying up Aurora Cannabis. So let's see this on one more time frame, and then I'm going to give you my price prediction into the market for Aurora Cannabis, right? So this is the monthly chart. Okay, you guys can tell last 4 months, which is inclusive of the month of November, the month that we're in right now, we're pretty much right now seeing support. Now again, this current weekly price bar, monthly price bar right here, let's say that yesterday was the last day of the month of November. I will still be looking for the market to go up, but I still have 18 days and 10 hours left. But what I'm seeing right now, as of this recording, it looks good for Aurora Cannabis to go up, but obviously that's going to change in the next 18 days. So I cannot be too dependent on what I have right now on this monthly chart. It looks good, but again, it's not concrete yet. So the weakness that occurred in October and here even in September, we still need to think about that too. So even though I'm going to play the upward movement in Aurora Cannabis, I want you all to know that that is a caveat to that, and that I'm not necessarily all in into telling you that Aurora Cannabis is going to shoot up to the moon. I'm not seeing that just yet. So let me take you back to the daily and show you what do we have here into the market for Aurora Cannabis. Okay, so now you guys can remember, market holds $6.60, 50 cents, and then bring it down. I'm going to look for the price to go up, right? Look how wide that range is. Now, is the market ready to move based off us hitting restriction at $7.50? No, it's not ready. I'm pretty much expecting us to really hold this range, trade sideways, and hold $6.50 as support, right? Now, I understand $7.57, $7.60 is restriction. So under any premise of us seeing the price come up there, we have to think about taking the bag. We got to think about taking the bread or the profit out the market there, because I've shown you on a weekly perspective that the market is not ready or is having issues of breaking above that number, $7.50. And then let me go ahead and show you where the second area for us to eat out the market in Aurora Cannabis is. It's right there around $8.40. So maybe about a dollar increment, we can see this price in Aurora Cannabis go up, right? Okay. So the first area again is right there around that restriction point, $7.50. That's the first area for us to take the bag. Second area is going to be around 8. I'm going to say $8.50 will be the second area for us to try to grab this market price in Aurora Cannabis. Okay, third area is going to be around 9. Or I'll say like $9.60. Okay, so first area is $7.50, give or take around that vicinity. Second area for us to eat off the market in Aurora Cannabis is around $8.60. Then the third area is around $9.62. Now I'm not really seeing $9.62 yet, but from a long-term perspective, I won't see no issues of the market in Aurora Cannabis trying to hit that number. But first, we got to take out those two prior price targets first, $7.50 and then $8.67, give or take. All right, so now let me take it back over to the day so you guys can see what we have on the daily perspective as to what we're looking forward to into the market in Aurora Cannabis. Now, this is what I'm seeing. This is my price prediction. I want you all to drop me a comment now and tell me, where do you see Aurora Cannabis price going over the next 3 weeks? Drop me a comment right now. All right, keep it simple. Let our family know what you think about Aurora Cannabis and where price is headed. All right, make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.